How to use monday.com for HR. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use monday.com for HR. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on monday.com, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is monday.com, it is a cloud-based work operating system designed to help teams manage projects, workflows, and everyday work with greater efficiency and collaboration, in which it provides a highly customizable platform where users can create boards to track tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and monitor progress in real time. With features such as automation, time tracking, integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, and visual project views. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Get Started button right here. And after signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this homepage. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. You have here Home, My Work, and it will show us a variety of options to navigate. But now to proceed, besides this main workspace as you can see on the left side panel, to start using monday.com for HR, we need to create or use the template for HR. So kindly click the plus button right here and click the template center option. And upon doing so, or by clicking this one, you'll be able to see here on this pop-up window the template. You can search the HR services on the top panel or the search bar, or you could use the HR option on the left side panel in here. And just simply choose here which kind of template do you want to create or start using. We have here job application for employee engagement. But from those options, I'm going to choose HR services. So by clicking on it, you can click the Use Template button in order to start using or customizing this template, where we can oversee all HR processors in one centralized place. And by doing so, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, since currently your template is being created and all of the contents it contains is being loaded in here. So just simply wait for it to load. Then you will be able to be directed on this employee onboarding, in which the purpose of this is to streamline and organize the onboarding process for new hires, ensuring the smooth and consistent experience from the moment an offer is accepted to full integration into the company. And that is why we have here this first day pre-arrival, and you can add a new item of the employee in here. For example, their name, their email, their phone number, their position, their department, and many more details in here, in which this template allows HR teams to manage onboarding tasks such as document submission, equipment allocation, orientation, scheduling, and training progress in one centralized location. You could also add a new group in here if you want to. And by clicking these three dots, you could also click the delete group if you want to delete a specific group in here in our employee onboarding progress. Now on the top panel, you could also navigate this form. By clicking on it, it will show you what should the employee to fill out for the onboarding process. So as you can see, we have here their name, email, phone number, their position, the reporting manager, department, and date of joining. If you want to edit the form, you can click the edit form button on the top panel in order to start customizing your own details or some of the things that need to fill out. Now in here, you can click the plus button or start adding a new one if you want to, or create a customize that you prefer, in which basically this template, it promotes accountability by assigning responsibilities to specific team members and tracking deadlines, while also providing new employees with a clear roadmap of their onboarding journey. You could also navigate this Kanban that can track all of these details in specific card, and you could also navigate here the pre-arrival, first day, first week, and many more, and even customize the widget on the right side panel of the settings. And aside from that, it will show you some other analytics and details in here that will help you in your onboarding process. And by clicking the invite button on the top right corner, you can invite to this board by simply sending the link on it. You can send it directly to their email or even to their Facebook or even messages. Now aside from that, you can also navigate on the left side panel in here, this employee portal, in which from here it is help to centralize and streamline all HR related requests, services, and communications within a single easy-to-use platform. That is why it will show you in here the submit a request for the HR team, knowledge base, or you could also check the boxes if you're already done creating it. And it also serves as a digital hub where employees can submit inquiries, access important resources, and track the status of their requests. You could also use the search bar to look for a specific person, filter it directly in here, sort the result, and many more. You could also search here the leave applications, benefit inquiries, or onboarding assistance. In this, for HR teams, the portal improves organization and response efficiency by automating workflows, assigning tasks, and ensuring transparency in handling employee needs. But ultimately, the template enhances the employee experience by fostering clear communication, reducing response times, and promoting more structured and responsive HR service environment. Now, under this vacation request, in which it is also important to streamline and simplify the process of managing employee time off requests, in which it allows HR teams and managers to efficiently handle vacation applications by providing a centralized platform where employees can submit requests, specify dates, and include any relevant notes. So from here, we can add a new vacation, for example, which vacay. And after that, they could also start entering their email address of the person, their department, vacation starting date, and vacation ending date in here. And once it has been approved, we could also start changing the status of their vacation request. We could also make it approve or enter here the approver that who will approve it. I'm going to start, for example, rejecting it. So that's basically how you can start listing a vacation request in here of a specific employee. You could also select here to archive it, delete, and many more. Well, under this form, it will show you what the form will need to submit by the employees to fill out in order to submit a vacation request. So upon clicking the preview button, it will show you what it looks like. So we have here the name, their email address, their department into, vacation, and many more. Moving on to the open positions on the left side panel, in which it's important for the recruitment process by providing a centralized space to track all current job openings within an organization. So we have here open position, working on it, and closed position. You could also search for a specific person, filter it, sort it, and many more, in which this template helps HR teams to manage key details such as job titles, departments, hiring managers, application statuses, and posting dates. By offering a clear overview of open roles and their progress through the hiring pipeline, and the template supports better coordination among HR personnel. Now moving on, once again, you could also navigate the employee onboarding and HR manager or general requests, in which it also provides a centralized and organized system for managing various human resources inquiries and service requests within an organization. And this template allows employees to easily submit requests related to HR matters such as benefits, payroll, time off, policy clarification, or employee relations. We can navigate here the open requests, close requests, and any other option on the top panel, including this form, Kanban. Upon streamlining the submission and tracking progress, HR teams can prioritize and address requests efficiently. So this is basically what the forms look like. So overall, this HR services template will help to improve the response time, reduce administrative workload, and enhance the overall employee experience with HR services. So overall, that is just basically how to use monday.com for HR. Thank you.